Recording from YouTube TV is a convenient way to save your favorite shows and watch them later. To get started, you will need a few basic things, including a YouTube TV subscription, a compatible device, and a stable internet connection. First, open the YouTube TV app on your device. This could be a smart TV, a streaming device, or a mobile device. Navigate to the show or event you want to record and click on it to open its details page. If the show is available for recording, you will see a plus icon or a record button. Click on this button to add the show to your library. If you want to record a live event or a show that is currently airing, you can do so by clicking on the Live tab and selecting the event you want to record. You can also schedule a recording by clicking on the Upcoming tab and selecting the show you want to record. YouTube TV also allows you to record multiple shows at the same time, as long as they are not airing on the same channel at the same time. To do this, simply add each show to your library by clicking on the Record button. Once you have added a show to your library, YouTube TV will automatically record it and save it to your cloud DVR. You can access your recorded shows by navigating to the Library tab in the YouTube TV app. From here, you can play back your recorded shows, delete them, or modify your recording settings. It is worth noting that YouTube TV has some limitations on recording, including a limit of 9 months for storing recorded content. After this time, your recordings will be automatically deleted. You can also only record up to 6 accounts per household, and some shows may not be available for recording due to copyright restrictions. To get the most out of recording from YouTube TV, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a compatible device. You should also regularly check your library to ensure you are not running out of storage space. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily record your favorite shows from YouTube TV and watch them at your convenience.